The Verhees D-Plane 1 is one of the most distinctive home-built aircraft to emerge from Belgium. Designed by Belgian engineer Bart Verhees, the single-seat aircraft combines a compact delta-shaped flying wing layout with unusually practical solutions for touring, storage, and ground handling. The prototype first flew in October 2004. Verhees developed the D-Plane 1 through his company, Verhees Engineering, as an aircraft that could be built by amateurs from plans rather than purchased as a conventional production airplane. The structure is made primarily from aluminum, including 6061 and 2024 alloys. The aircraft has a wingspan of only 4.5 meters, about 14.8 feet, and a wing area of 10 square meters, yet its enclosed cockpit is remarkably spacious for such a small machine. The D-Plane 1 uses a cantilever mid-wing with an extremely low aspect ratio. Instead of conventional ailerons and elevators, it has two elevons, combining roll and pitch control. A vertical fin with a rudder provides directional stability, although the rudder's primary role in normal flight is described as compensating for engine torque rather than controlling turns. One of the aircraft's most unusual features is its semi-retractable monowheel landing gear. The main nose wheel retracts, while small wheels at the rear and wingtips remain fixed. The steering main wheel helps prevent ground loops, and the wingtip wheels protect the aircraft during taxiing and landing. The outer wings can also be folded upward, allowing the aircraft to be transported on a trailer and reducing the need for expensive hangar space. The prototype was powered by a 1.6-liter Subaru EA71 four-cylinder automotive conversion engine producing 50 horsepower, 37 kilowatts. Published specifications give an empty weight of about 210 kilograms, about 463 pounds, a maximum takeoff weight of 340 kilograms, about 750 pounds, a 60-liter fuel capacity, a cruise speed of approximately 220 kilometers per hour, about 137 miles per hour, and a maximum speed of about 270 kilometers per hour, about 168 miles per hour. The flying wing configuration was intended to provide more than an unusual appearance. Verhees emphasized stability, resistance to turbulence, cockpit space, and comfortable cross-country flight. The Delta's aerodynamic behavior was designed so that disturbances in turbulent air would produce relatively modest changes in vertical acceleration. By 2011, the D-Plane 1 remained represented by a single flying prototype, while Verhees Engineering had begun developing a larger two-seat derivative. The D-Plane 2 eventually flew in 2018, using a 100-horsepower Rotax 912 ULS and achieving a reported cruise speed of roughly 250 kilometers per hour, about 155 miles per hour. The D-Plane 1 therefore occupies an unusual place in modern home-built aviation, a tiny Belgian aircraft that turned the flying wing concept into a practical personal airplane, emphasizing simplicity, portability, stability, and efficient use of limited space rather than conventional appearance.